Start by finding a comfortable spot to sit, either on a chair or on the floor. Keep your back straight, and if you'd like, you can keep your eyes open and find a place to gently gaze at or close your eyes. I'm going to close my eyes and take a few deep breaths, breathing in through my nose and out through my mouth. Now, let your breathing become what it normally is. Simply what it is. Just notice it. If you find your mind starts to wander, just come back to the breath. You might catch yourself doing this over and over, and that's fine. Just keep coming back to noticing each breath. Something you can try is noticing when you catch yourself thinking is this feeling or is this thinking? You might even notice tense muscles in your body. Just breathe into it. Now, let's do a body scan, starting at the top of your head, moving into your forehead, your eyes. Relax those muscles. Move down your face, into your jaw, and into your neck. Just breathe in and out. Now move into your shoulders, your arms, down into your wrists and your hands, into your fingers. Just breathe in and out. Moving into your chest, into your stomach, moving down to your pelvis, into your thighs, moving into your knees, and down your calves and shins, your ankles, your feet, and your toes. Breathing in and out. Now, notice what you hear. What sounds do you hear in the room? All the while, focusing on your breath, breathing in and out. You might hear traffic outside. You might hear someone in the other room. You might hear the wind if you're outside. If you're outside, you might notice the sunlight on your skin. Notice the temperature of the room. Again, if your mind starts to wander, Just notice that. And come back to breathing in and out. You might be thinking about what happened earlier today. You might be thinking about something that's going to happen in the future, things you have to do. Just let that go for now and focus on the breath. You may notice each breath is unique. No two breaths are the same. How do you feel the breath in your body? Do you feel it in your chest, or in your belly, or at the tip of your nose? Where do you feel the breath the most? Breathing in and out. If you notice your mind starts to wander, just come back to that. Breathing in and out. Where do you feel the breath the most? Sometimes I find I feel it more in my chest and in my belly. Just the center of my body. You might notice if you feel the breath is kind of deeper, or it might be kind of shallow. Just notice that. Let's move back into your body where you might feel any tense muscles. Sometimes when I'm stressed or worried, I feel that my face is a little tense. It might be my jaw, it might be my forehead and my eyebrows. Just relax those muscles. And breathing in and out. As I take each breath, I can feel my chest rising and my shoulders move as well. Sometimes when I'm sitting in meditation, I can notice my back start to ache, and it's okay to move and adjust a little, but you might just notice that desire to change your position before you do, if you do. Sometimes I find it good to just sit with that and just keep coming back to the breath, breathing in and out. Sometimes when I can feel that tension in my back, it seems to be the thing that I am only focused on. But sometimes you can move your attention elsewhere, to other parts of your body that feel good. Notice where you feel the breath the most, either at the tip of the nose, or in your chest, or in your belly. Just breathing in and out. In the last few seconds, just let your mind wander. Just let it do what it wants to do, without focusing so much on just the breath. I often find that when it comes to this part of a meditation, my mind just kind of lets go. And it's as if I'm unable to think of anything. When you're ready, you can gently open your eyes and just notice how you feel. Thank you for meditating with me. and I hope you have a good rest of the day.